Hi, welcome to the La Soy channel. My name is Lau, part of the marketing team here at La Soy. And today I created this smoky springtime look using the Barbie Pink ensemble. So if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're gonna moisturize. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. While I let the moisturizer sink into my skin, I'm going to go in with a little eyeshadow primer. Okay, now that the moisturizer is a little more settled in my skin, I'm going to use the flat kabuki brush from our Barbie Pink ensemble. Oops. I'm going to use it with the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. One pump on the brush. Next, a little bit of concealer. First, a peachy concealer to conceal the under eye bags, and then a more yellow toned concealer to brighten up the under eyes. I'm going to use one of our damp soy blenders. This is the flat top. Easy. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face a little more quickly so that we can get started on the eyes. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of contour, and I'm gonna use our angled kabuki brush from the Barbie Pink ensemble. Now I'm gonna set my face a little bit with this Maybelline powder and our round kabuki brush. With the same brush, we're gonna apply this corally blush from Essence. Damp, and then blend. A little bit on the nose. Okay, we're gonna move on to the eyes now. First, we're gonna choose a transition shade. I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty palette. I'm gonna take our fluffy shading brush and packing in our transition color. I'm gonna take the other side of the brush and blend upwards a little bit, just diffusing this part. With our angled shading brush, I'm gonna go into a deeper brown. I'm gonna place the shadow in the outer corner. We're gonna take the fluffy shading brush and go back and blend together these two shadows. Next, use the flat concealer brush and spray it a couple times. We're gonna go into this pink shade and apply it to the middle of the lid. Ooh, beautiful. Then we're gonna spray our brush again and go into this very sparkly green shade and place it in the inner corner. Okay, for the lower lash line, we're gonna take our pencil brush and the same colors we used on the lid on the lower lash line. For the darker shade, I'm using our angled brush and going into the dark brown so I can get very precise. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my other eye, and then we'll be back to finish our smoky springtime look. All right, so I finished my eyes and almost the whole look. And now we only have one thing missing, my favorite part, highlighter. We're gonna use the fan brush in the Barbie Pink ensemble and go into this pixie highlighter. Man, so good. And actually another one of my favorite parts is the inner corner highlight. So I already cleaned off our little pencil brush from the Barbie Pink ensemble, and it is the perfect inner corner highlight brush. Let me show you. Ooh. Amazing. And you can take a little bit and just go right down your nose. Okay, so we are done with our, what I'm calling smoky springtime look, because we've got a little smokiness, but green and pink too. And this is our chilling at home look too, because we're hanging out in our sports bra, about to go chill on the couch and watch some Netflix. But yeah, created this whole look using our Barbie Pink ensemble. Make sure to check out our Instagram, subscribe, and like this video. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.